Here's a quick EDC video, just a quick update. A lot of you know pretty much what you're going to see, but if you follow my channel anyway. But here goes nothing. Alright, we got G-Shock. It's GA110-GB. Get out of here, cat. And that stands for the gold and black. Love this watch. Very nice. Alright. Next up, always have a lighter. Blue mini Bic. My keys. So it's the Leatherman CS. And then got a little nano light. Also have this. I don't know if I've showed this yet. It's Victorinox. It's got a little knife in there. Scissors. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. The scissors on this aren't really that bad either. Yeah. Let's get some other shit in there. Toothpick, a pen, a pin, tweezers, and this little multi-tool. A couple flatheads, a couple Phillips heads. And I mean, it's a pretty thin card that goes in. Oh, and also has a light on here somewhere. A little red light. And a magnifying glass. Which doesn't really work anymore because it's all scratched out. But anyway, what else I got? I got my wallet that pretty much never changes. It's just a Tommy Hilfiger wallet, leather, and my paramilitary tube. I've gone down to one knife. This is pretty much my only remaining knife to date. I've gotten rid of most everything for trades, for different shit, like that GA110GB. Traded a bunch of Spydercos for this, and a pair of Oakleys, and a pair of Spy sunglasses, and a pair of Coach sunglasses for my wife. But yeah, pretty much got rid of the whole collection. I won't get rid of this ever. This will be my everyday carry, and I'll never get rid of my sharp maker, but other than that, it's all gone. So yeah, I mean, I do have, like what you see over here, cheapo sharpener, SOG I didn't really like, a couple Kershaws, and 3 bird knives, but they're all already gone basically. The guy just has to bring over the speakers and receiver. He's trading me for it. I hope to get those pretty soon, either today or tomorrow. But that's about it. That's my EDC, and probably will remain my EDC for quite some time. I don't think I'll be doing another update video anytime soon. Alright guys, take it easy. Rate and subscribe. Thanks.